Looking for a spacious, good-sized 3-bedroom unit within walking distance to Woodlands Regional Centre and below 900 PSF? Your search ends here. Rosewood is located in a private enclave along Rosewood Drive, and we are just 10 minutes away from Woodlands MRT. And over here, we have Causeway Point, Woodlands Civic Centre and Wood Square to the upcoming Woodlands Regional Centre. Woodlands is selected by the government as one of the 3 regional centres to decentralise work from our CBD, which means this area will turn into a regional hub with many more attractive amenities. Hello everyone, I am Raziah from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. This is my first maiden video. I'd like to show you a beautiful 3-bedroom unit below 900 PSF. Come, let's walk in. Welcome to this beautiful 3-bedroom unit and a good size of 1184 square feet. Notice how bright the living area is, all thanks to the floor-to-ceiling large windows in front of us. Look at the generous space and its bright natural lights. We have a wide living room with a remarkable dining area. As you can see, it's a very good distance from your sofa to the TV area. All bedrooms come with a full height ceiling to floor built-in wardrobe and can fit queen-size bed and has natural lights and a pool facing. We have a huge master bedroom which can easily fit a super king bed. It's blessed with good vibes to catch up your late night movies. Master bath comes with a bathtub. You have a wet and dry area and windows is well ventilated and well maintained. We have a good sized enclosed kitchen, well fitted with good quality granite top. Good space with top and bottom cabinetries and comes with built-in oven as well. We have large opening windows here, very convenient. After cooking, immediately we can pass our dishes to the dining area and we can just easily take it back once our meals are over. We hope you enjoyed the home tour. Welcome you for the viewing experience. Thank you for watching this listing. Do contact Raziah Wahab at 90237901 of OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. Always happy to show you the place.